this, that just ain't something small. That's you launched out into the deep end, brother.
Yeah.
No life. No.
I believe we give up too quick. You know,
Yes,
the
sir.
Bible didn't. The Bible. I just wrote a book called "The Power of a Successful Marriage."
Hold on. Hold that book up again. Hold that book up some more.
Yes, sir. The
Let me show the
power of
people.
a successful marriage.
Yes, sir.
And I believe that we give up too quick. We give up too quick.
Yes, sir.
We give up too quick. There's a
Yes, sir.
chapter in this book and say that it says that the two become one, not that the
Yes.
two are one. And it was no doubt. It was no doubt that that was your wife. But could it be that you guys could have waited? The Bible said in the multitude of counsel there's safety. And
Yes.
so you mean this ain't my husband because we going through something? We being tested. We being tried. The two become one. They're not. Not that they are. They become.
They
And so I
become
wrote a
one.
chapter in this book, the power